To use the 3Commas bot, start by creating an account on the 3Commas website and linking your cryptocurrency exchange account. This will allow the bot to access your account and make trades on your behalf. Once you have created your account and linked your exchange, you can begin setting up your bot. The first step is to choose a trading strategy, which can be based on a variety of factors such as market trends, technical indicators, and risk management. 3Commas offers a range of pre-built strategies that you can use, or you can create your own custom strategy using the bot's built-in tools. Next, you will need to set your trading parameters, including the amount of money you want to allocate to the bot, the types of cryptocurrencies you want to trade, and the risk level you are comfortable with. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels to limit your potential losses and lock in your gains. After you have set up your bot, you can start it and let it begin trading. The bot will continuously monitor the markets and make trades based on your chosen strategy and parameters. You can view the bot's performance in real time, including its profit and loss, and make adjustments as needed. To get the most out of the 3Commas bot, it is essential to monitor its performance regularly and make adjustments to your strategy and parameters as needed. You should also keep an eye on the bot's risk level and adjust it accordingly to avoid significant losses. In addition to its automated trading capabilities, 3Commas also offers a range of tools and features to help you manage your cryptocurrency portfolio, including portfolio tracking, price alerts, and market analysis. By using these tools in conjunction with the bot, you can gain a better understanding of the markets and make more informed trading decisions. Overall, using the 3Commas bot can be a powerful way to automate your cryptocurrency trading and potentially increase your profits. By following these steps and using the bot's tools and features, you can create a customized trading strategy that meets your needs and helps you achieve your financial goals.